Hi, my name is Chip Brown. I teach computer programming and Microsoft Office applications at a local business college here in Utah at Stevens Henniger. This table has records up to 114. Let's look at the source table. This table has two records to be appended, string ID 115 and 116. Next, let's create the append query. Click on the Create tab. In the Other group, click on Query Design. Add the table that is your source table. Next, change the query type from Select to Append, and choose the destination table to which you'll be appending the records. Next, choose the fields that will be mapped to the new table. Next, run the query. We're prompted with a warning and we'll say yes. Next, let's see the results of our query. First, I'll close our tables. Next, I'll reopen the destination table. As you can see, records with string ID 115 and 116 have been appended to this table. That is how you create an append query using Microsoft Access. For more information and videos, visit chipbrown.com. That's Brown with an E.